If you're tired of your bank account giving you a scare but still want to enjoy life, then let's dive into some budgeting magic. First up, track your spending. Yes, every single penny. You'd be shocked to see where your cash is creeping away. Use a simple app or go old school with a notebook, but keep those numbers in check. Next, embrace the 50-30-20 rule. It's simple. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% straight into savings. It's like putting your cash on a balanced diet. Third, say hello to no-spend days. Pick a day each week where you don't spend a dime. It's like a mini vacation for your wallet. Fourth tip, automate your savings. Set up your bank account to automatically divert a portion of your paycheck into a savings account. It's like playing hide and seek with your money, but in a good way. And lastly, review and adjust regularly. Your budget isn't set in stone. Life changes, and so should your budget. Keep it flexible and it'll stick with you longer than your gym membership. There you have it. 5 budgeting hacks that can help you take control. Master your money, don't let it master you.